Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar. The Aussie versus U.S. dollar is moving higher on lower rates, on risk, on sentiment, on weaker U.S. Data and lower yields. Then the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar is doing the same thing. So let's take a look at that chart and see what it's telling us. I'm going to be taking a look at the 4-hour chart in this currency pair, and like the Aussie versus US dollar, we are seeing a rotation to the upside here in this currency pair, and that move to the upside is now taking the price above the 38.2% retracement of the move down from the April high to the April low. That level comes in at 0.59396, and you can see the price did move above that level, currently trading at 0.5936, so just below that level as I speak. Taking a look at the this yellow area right here. This yellow area represents a swing area going back to this area right through here. We had a number of different swing highs and swing highs, and then swing lows here before moving to the upside. We returned back to that level a few weeks ago and found support buyers once again before breaking below that level and trading last week and pushing down to the low price for the year. The low price going back to November. That low price, by the way, did bottom right here against the November low right here, and that was enough to start to push back to the upside and trading on Monday. And again today we're seeing the rotation to the upside. Of course, we had weaker data in the U.S. Today. The S&P global S&P manufacturing flash estimates came in weaker than expected. So did the Richmond Fed manufacturing indices, and that helped to push the dollar lower. Also push stocks higher, which is a risk on flow into the New Zealand versus U.S. dollar. Hence the move to the upside and trading here today. So what next? Well, as long as the price can remain above this 0.5933 level, I think things are possible that this price action can continue to the upside. On the top side, we do have the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart at near the 50% retracement of the April trading range. Both those levels come near 0.5962 and 0.59668. They become the next targets on further momentum to the upside. We get above those levels, and then it should open the door for further upside momentum. As I mentioned, I would like to see the price stay above the 0.5933 level now to keep the buyers more in play and in short-term control at least. Remember last week this corrective high came up to the low of that area, and these lows through here held support against the level, and over here it was more resistance. So this area is going to be key for traders today and going forward. Be aware, be prepared. That's my look at the New Zealand versus US dollar from a technical perspective. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.